Good morning, students. Today again I am going to start the directing chapter, in which we will discuss about the second element of directing, that is called motivation. So earlier I told you the meaning of directing. Now the first element of directing is motivation. Motivation means encourage or induce the workers to continue working in the organization. Two words are there. The first one is induce, the another one is encourage. These two words are very important for the definition of motivation. Whenever the term motivation comes, then you have to write induce and encourage. That's mean the management always encourage the workers by showing their capability, that the workers have the ability to perform all the activities in the best possible manner. That is why motivation is an important term which is utilized by the company to satisfy the worker, those are working in the organization, because without the satisfaction of the worker, no any activity can be performed properly. So that the motivation plays an important role for the development and satisfaction of the worker, those are working in the organization. So these three elements comes under the motivation. The first one is motive. Motive means the inner desire of the workers, those are working in an organization, and the management has to check out the inner desire of the worker, because until the fulfillment of inner desire, the worker cannot concentrate over the work. That is why the management has to identify the inner desire of the workers. Motivators are the methods which can be utilized by the company to satisfy the workers, those are working in the organization. Like some of the companies are providing monetary incentives to the worker as a motivator to satisfy them. Some of the companies are using non-monetary incentives as a motivator to satisfy the worker, those are working in the organization. So these are the motive and motivators which can be utilized by the company to motivate the worker, those are working in the organization. And the last element is motivation. Motivation is a process in which the organization can induce the workers, encourage the workers to continue working in the organization, because some of the organization do not always carry the good quality of worker with them, because the success of the organization is totally depend upon the efficiency of the workers, those are working in the organization. After that, some of the features of motivation are also there. The first one is psychological process. As we know that motivation is a psychological phenomena, because it is totally depend upon the psychology of the workers, whether they want to satisfy, whether they don't want to satisfy, because it is the inner desire of the worker. If they want to get some motivational word from the others and want to get motivated, it totally depend upon the psychology of the workers, because because as we know that in a group 20 or 25 workers are there, but some people are working very good in a very good manner, but some people are ignoring the words of superior. So we can say so motivation is a psychological phenomena in which if a person want to be motivated, he can, but if a person don't want to be motivated, then no any source can motivate him. The another one is goal oriented behavior. As we know that motivation is generally used by the companies, used by the management to develop the goal oriented behavior among the workers, because if the workers are feeling dissatisfied, if the workers are developing the negativity towards the organization, then they don't want to perform their activities in the best possible manner. So that it is a responsibility of the management to mold the behavior of the workers from negative to positive. That is why we can say motivation is a process which can be utilized by the company to develop the goal oriented behavior among the workers. Another one is motivation can be positive or negative. As we know that motivation have two types. The first one is positive and another one is negative. Sometimes the organization provides the reward to the workers to be motivated in the organization, and sometimes the organization can give the punishment to the workers to get motivated. As we discussed in the differential piecewise system, in which the organization can give more to that worker who is producing more in the organization, and also the management can cut down the salary of the worker if they are not producing more in the organization. So that we can say for motivation can be positive as well as negative for the worker, those are working in the organization. The another one is complex process. Motivation, as we know that motivation is a complex process because it is very difficult to identify that what type of need is required by the worker and what type of need is remain unsatisfied of the workers, because once the one need is satisfied then another arises, then it is very difficult to identify the type of need of the worker those are working in the organization. That is why we can say motivation is a complex process in which different type of needs take place, and it is quite difficult for the management to identify the type of need which is needed by the worker those are working in the organization. As we can take the example, once the psychological need of the worker satisfied, then social need arise. If the social need satisfied, then self-esteem arise. So ultimately different type of needs will be arises of the workers when they are working in the organization. And the last one is continuous process. As the functions of management are continuous in nature, as same as the motivation is also continuous in nature, because it always arises because it related to the worker, and if the worker are working in the organization, they regularly require the motivation thoughts, motivation incentives from the management to get satisfied and to get motivated in the organization. As the motivated worker can give more efforts as compare of the demotivated worker those are working in the organization. So students, this is the definition and features of motivation. You should go through it from the notes also, you should go through it from the other sources, you should go through it from the book. If you have any query related to it, you can ask me on my personal number. So you should prepare it, you should stay home, stay safe. Thank you.